There's so much to see in New York City. The top of the Edge, ice skating in Bryant Park, Hudson Yards Vessel, top of the One World Trade Center, Central Park, St. Patrick's Cathedral, and so much more. Walking is definitely an option, but with how large Manhattan is, the subway is an excellent way to get around. The subway system in the city is great, and you can get to just about anywhere. In this video, I'll show you how to buy your ticket and how it all works. You can download the MTA map and go exploring. Each subway line has a number or letter, and when you see it, that's the indication that there's a subway station. To get your ticket, you go to these machines and press Start. Choose your language. You'll see three options: single ticket, Metro card, and fast Metro card. If you want a single ride, you can choose that and pay for a single ride. But if you're wanting to get around, it's better to get a Metro card and put credit on it, which you can always refill if it starts getting low. When you press Metro card, you can get a new one for $1 and choose how much credit to put on it, or get the fast Metro card with $9 and pay. If you already have a Metro card, you can see how much credit is on it and refill it. You make your payment and you're all set to go. You put your card in here and add credit to it and get it back once you've paid. You swipe your card through these machines and cross over to the train tracks. Be sure to see where you want to go, the train line and the direction it's going, and get on the right track. Every station has a station name on the wall. You have the exit signs and the other subway transfers. You have the signs that tell you where your train is heading, and you have signs telling you how long before the next train arrives. Here's our train arriving. The trains vary in size, some having digital signs showing you all the stops and where the train is at. Some have a poster of the line and all its stops. Once you arrive at your stop, you just pass through the gates, no need to swipe your ticket. The great thing with having a Metro card is you can just swipe your card and go to your train. This way you can see all of Manhattan and get from one end to the other with the subway. Remember to look out for the subway signs and look for the letters and numbers that run from there. The Google Maps app and the Transit, Subway, and Bus Times app also guide you on which trains to take if you put on the start and destination you're trying to get to. My travel friends, I hope this video helped you and made it easier for you to explore New York City. You can also watch my video of my 15 favorite things to do in New York. Please click the subscribe button to see more beautiful places. See you in the next video.